The ribbon gives us visual access to most of the tools you'll be using in AutoCAD. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your ribbon appearance based on each steering modes. Let's come to the right button, control button over here. Click just one time and it minimizes the ribbon to the panel icons. You place your cursor on any of the panel icons and it displays the tools, your required tools. You click again and it minimizes the panel to the title, draw, modify, annotation. You place your cursor on any of these titles and it displays the tools as well. And you click one more time and then it minimizes the ribbon to its tab. So you could click on any of the tab. Let's say we click on Home tab and it gives us the interface temporarily. For example, if I should click online, then find out that interface has just disappeared. Escape. So let's come back and click here one more time. Then we circle back to the original ribbon appearance. Okay, this is it. So this is how to switch between your ribbon modes, TV modes, and this mode will be what we'll be using for this course.